Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you a very interesting project that is COVID-19 prediction website that I developed by Django and machine learning. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the overview of my website and then I introduce with others feature. So here you can see my website, home, about, prediction, static, contact and get prediction. From here you can predict your COVID positive or negative. You can check up your body from here. So if I select fever, dry cough and asthma and hypertension, so after select, if I click in predict, you can see you are COVID negative. That means you are safe. So if you want to predict again, you can click in here, predict again. It going to in home page. So from here we can test our body again. So if I click in here, like breathing problem and asthma and diabetes, hypertension, abroad travel and contact a COVID patient and visit public area, family working public. You can select anyone like what you do and what you have symptom in your body. Then you have to click in predict. Yeah, you can see it's COVID negative. That means you are not safe. This COVID negative or positive result gives us based on so many medical report and data. In this application backend, I use so many medical report and data and train with machine learning algorithm. And I also create a database so you can see your result in database. So if I click in admin, here you can see the list of patient, how many patients check up his body from your website. So if I click in COVID list, you can see 1 and 0. 0 means COVID negative and 1 means COVID positive. So from your database you can see how many people COVID negative or positive. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 people is COVID positive. And if I go to the again my home page, here I use my contact number and some social media, and here I use one form and beautiful footer. So this is my website. If you need this source code, you can tell me in email, I will forward you. And here I write some blog. Here you can see I write some blog. If I click in here, it going to another page, WHO, World Health Organization, and you can read article from World Health Organization, what you have to do in pandemic or COVID. You can read article from here. So that's it. So this is my beautiful website. If you need the source code, you can tell me an email, I will forward you. So see you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.